Hi students, in this class I am going to teach 12th standard physics volume 2 lesson number 6 ray optics, content number 6.1.4 image formation in plane mirror. So already I told what is mirror. Highly polished metal silver is coated one side of the glass plate. The glass plate is act as a mirror, so it reflects 99% of the light falling on in them. So here x y is a plane mirror. An object is placed at a point A. So O is incident on the mirror. O is the incident point on the mirror. So A O is incident ray. Then the incident ray reflect. It travel along OP. So OP is a reflected ray. ON is normal, is perpendicular line at a point of incidence O. So AON angle of incidence, BON angle of reflection R. So AO incident ray, OB reflected ray, NO normal. So here angle AON angle of incidence I equal to angle BON angle of reflection R. So another ray AD is incident normally at a point on the mirror D. It's traveling return back DA. So BO and AD extended backward, the meets at a point A prime. This ray appears to come from point A. This is the behind the plane mirror. So object distance AD, DO, O stands for object, D stands for distance. Object distance and AD image distance DI are perpendicular to the plane mirror. First equation, angle AON equal DAO. Angle AON equal to DAO. Then second equation, BON equal to OA prime D. BON angle of reflection is equal to OA prime D. So here both are equal. So finally DAO equal to OA prime D. So AD equal to A prime D. So angle of that is finally incident image distance DI inside the plane mirror is equal to object distance DO in front of the plane mirror. Next, characteristics of the image formed by the plane mirror. The image formed by a plane mirror is visual, erect and laterally inverted sideways, left, right. The size of the image is equal to the size of the object. The image distance behind the mirror is equal to the object distance in front of the mirror.